In this video, I'll complete the following medication administration task. So before starting the doing the task, I want to make sure that I wash my hands, I sanitize, and wear gloves. So for the first task, I need to dispense 2 fill from the container into the med cap. So this is the med cap, and this is the container. So I will use to get 2 pills. I can use the cap, the lid of the cap, to get the 2 pills, and then put it on the med cap. So using the lid, because it is part of the container, so I can first put the lid, the pills into the lid and transfer it to the med cap. Then the next one is split 1 pills into equal half. So I'm gonna use this pills splitter, and I'm using 1 pills in the blister pack. So I want to make sure that the pills is in the middle of the triangle, and then start. Then it is make sure that it is 2 equal parts. Then we can put it on the med cap. Next. And next task is I need to crush 1 pill. So I'm using the pill crusher, and I'm using the one on the med pack. I'll get 1 pill. Put the pills inside the pill crusher. And then, okay. And you just have to check if in this one there's still bigger parts of pills, so I need to crush it and make it all even, like powder. I can continue doing it until all the pills have been crushed. So if I check, so the pills already crushed into powder, so I can now transfer it to the med cap. And make sure that you put all the medication powder in the med cap. Next task is I need to pour liquid medication from the bottle into the medication cup to a total of 20 cc. So I'll put the med cap. So this is the liquid container or the bottle, liquid medication. So it says I need to put 20 cc total. So first I need to check where's the 20 cc in the med cap. So this here. In pouring liquids, you have to hold the bottle into this like this, because you have to cover the label when pouring, so that if there's any leak, it will not go directly to the label, because we want to we want to prevent the liquid spilling in the label so that the label will not destroyed and you can still read the medication name and details on the medication. So, and you have to put your med cup in a flat surface, and when pouring a liquid, you have to do pouring in, looking it in the eye level. So 20 cc. So 20 cc, and I need to double check by looking at, so it's already 20 cc. Okay. So the next task is using a syringe, draw up to 2 cc of medication from the med cap. So there's a 20 cc in the med cap, liquid medication in the med cap. So I need to draw a 2 cc. So first, I need to check the syringe. Where is the 2 cc? So the 2 cc is over here. So when putting if there's a bubble, you have to tap it and see if it's more than 2 cc, you have to return it back, like pushing the, and then there's a bubble. Okay, so it's already 2 cc of medication. Then when giving it to the person, you will not give it directly straight. You should put it on the side of the mouth or the cheek, or in the cheek. Then the next task. So for the next task, I need to dispense 1 dose of medication from the blister pack into a med cap. So I have here the blister pack. So in dispensing medication, you have to first check the blister pack, check the name, the medication, and in the blister pack there is a date. You have to check the date as well. That will be given to the person. So check the date, the time. Once it's you already verify or check. So I need to dispense 1 dose of medication from the blister pack into a medication cap. So I need to remove 1 dose. I can remove. I'll get the 1 dose medication. Open this one and just put it on the medication cap. Make sure you put it carefully. There. So there's 1 dose of medication in the med cap. Okay. Next, I need to dispense 1 dose of medication from the PacMed multi-dose packet into a medication cap. So I have here the PacMed multi-dose packet. So it says I need to dispense 1 dose of medication into a medication cap. So here's the also same procedure in administering medication. You have to check the name of the person, the name of the medication, the date, the time, and the dose. So once you confirm all that information and check counter check it on the mark sheet, then you can now dispense one dose. So I just need to remove it and put it in the med cap. Then this can be given to the person, and you want to make sure that when giving the medication, you have to check like the person swallowed the pills, or drink the liquid medication before signing it to the mark sheet.